lovely zebra collection with ZSL celebrates the GRÉVY'S zebra, and we've put together 10 facts you might not have known about these striped animals, whether that's are they related to the horse, or what's a herd of zebras called. Put your feet up and get ready to learn some incredible facts about zebras. There are over 60 different species of deer worldwide. Deer are present on all continents except Antarctica. They can live in a range of habitats, from mountainous areas to warm and wet rainforests. The Barbary red deer is the only species present in Africa. A male deer is called a buck, but some larger males are referred to as stags. A female deer is called a doe or hind.